Hello sisters, comment section is a workflow to the principle to work and others attack mood is follow. 10 rule in my life. How to irreplaceable in the world. First thing, देखो कभी भी कोई चीज करनी हो तो तुम्हारे लिए कुछ ऑप्शंस होते हैं. 10 rules to become in a worldness in a threshold world. 2 is a frequency or the matter in this 2 point are remembered in this balance. But 10 rules to my life to assuming in the mindset. First rule is I believe that it's must never stop. I trust me. तुमको लगता है कि मैं जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I believe, क्योंकि लोग मेरे को बिलीव नहीं करते. एज अ पर्सन, एज अ थिंक, एज अ क्यूरियोसिटी, एज अ माइंडसेट टू बिकम अ क्लैरिटी इज अ वर्ल्ड. बट टू बिलीव द थ्रेशोल्ड at the curiosity and the fear to become a worldness and the point of my life. ठीक है. Second point is it is a infinite game. There is never ending. People to play in finite resources and finite game, not clear to clarity, to mindset, to knowledge. But there is never effort, no never discipline, no never work to the perfection in life. Not expectations in parents, but you did not matter are the work to professions to work ethic and follow the work to believe the others attack mood follow this. To point will we remain. The third point is don't get hurt. कोई तुमको ऐसे सोचता है कि मैं इसको हर्ट कर दूंगा. The mindset not becomes. Mindset is the changing in the persons to negative people. But are the remember to this point, to this world, to this point, this industries, to this yours, and a control mind. Your biggest enemy is a uncontrolled mind. There is effort. Think you, parents are dead. Fourth point. Be to free expectation and criticisms, but to will be remember in this work. Fifth point is it is a slight eases. मैं जिंदगी में इतना ही कर पाऊंगा. As example to the video editor. First thing is to industry, to company, to social media, to finance. At the world and the in the world to approx is sunset in the world. But never give up is the point of distractions, point the many types, point the many populations is a world as the maximum financial free in parents are dead. Your is better. 6 is set your morning and evening routine. Come to office, work ethic and come to travel. Point will be remembered. To travel, to podcast, to social media, to persons, to content. To visit in a all works but did not changing routine. First thing is did not having a work, having a point of view, having a dangerous point. This is not break in a discipline. 7 point is this is a decision making, not a negative pupil. Engaged in a work to work point of threshold in because of the curiosity in the mind. लाइक से तुमको कभी जिंदगी में ये देखना होता है कि भाई मेरे को मजा नहीं आ रहा है, ये चीज को मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Dare to say, but did not never give up and to example by the CEO founder of the John Dorsey did not never give up and the squares middle of the point of view. 8 point is fear of curiosity. To according to the क्या कहते हैं, तुमने शायद सुन रखा होगा, रिच एंड पुअर ऑफ द कुणाल शाह इज फाउंडर ऑफ द क्रेड. द वर्क फ्लो टू अवॉइड इन द ऑल टाइम्स ऑफ द avoid of distractions of discipline of the sugar at the age of 54 years to company in a build. 9th point is to manage is all decisions of relationships. Example by lack of discipline, work and excuses tends to an build in relationships. तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड कहती रहती, तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड कहता रहता है कि मैं जिंदगी में तुमको ऐसा बंदा बन के दिखाऊंगा, मैं जिंदगी में ऐसा बनना चाहता हूँ. Lack to the point. Distraction is a toxic girlfriend, toxic boyfriend. To be the remember or the say of the relationship. Lack of the discipline, lack of the work, lack of the work ethic, lack of the threshold world. Because never are the ending of the point of view is a world. Because to world or becomes irreplaceable in the world. 10th point is all in believers. तुम पे सब बिलीव करेंगे to follow this point. I given to the talk, I given to the world, I given to the podcast, I given to the work ethic to follow are the work and content to avoiding are the sugar, to avoid in distraction, to avoid in lack of discipline. Jim Rohn is a quote at the American entrepreneur and the work to flow. If you are working harder than your job, than your passion, then your work no skill, no growth, no work, no exhaustive and the exhausted in the mind. Because never work point of view in relationship are managed in toxic world. Did not never entrepreneur, did not never having a dangerous people, having a negative people. You the surrounding matter are the world to create in our social media and generations to flow. Remember this is a point. ठीक है, थैंक यू, टेक केयर दोस्त. नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं. टू द कमेंट सेक्शन, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. थैंक यू, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस यू.